Lisk is a biological system of interoperable blockchain applications created with a mission of everybody profited from the blockchain. Lisk permits engineers to foster decentralized applications without any preparation, including plan, improvement, posting in the dApp store, and circulating and adapting their decentralized applications. It is the primary decentralized arrangement totally written in JavaScript. Every one of these are upheld by Lisk sidechain agreement usefulness. Not at all like Google Play Store or Mac Store. Lisk doesn't have control of the blockchain dApp stage since it runs freely on numerous PCs on the public blockchain. The Lisk network incorporates custom blockchain, figuring hubs, distributed storage, brilliant agreements, everything from one industry arrangement. The product improvement pack permits the engineers to consistently foster the application with next to no extra abilities to help the standard. The local cryptographic money of Lisk is called LSK. With Lisk Coin or BTC, clients can pay through an implicit receipt framework on the site to utilize all the cloud capability. Lisk takes the various charges from clients for the exchanges while enrolling a client, enlisting as a second passphrase, enlisting as a representative. Lisk's blockchain application stage is where blockchain project manufacturers can track down the colleagues, allies, and subsidizing from devotees. Lisk has separated its clients into 3 client classes as follows. Full client clients. They are the super clients of Lisk representatives and engineers. And this bundle is accessible in Windows, Macintosh, and Linux. Lisk Lite. Standard clients can get to their Lisk account through Lisk Lite. It is accessible for Windows and Macintosh operating system. Lisk Versatile permits the client to get to their Lisk account. It is accessible for iOS and Android. It gives simple use and versatile connection point. All the dApps can be sent off inside the actual application. Lisk LSK Central Examination. Lisk was established by Max Cortex and Oliver Beddoes in 2016. It is settled in Switzerland. Around 14,000 bitcoins are utilized in the underlying coin offering. It is a very much established association with 15 specialists for long-haul development. Lisk refreshes its monetary subtleties and accomplishment position in each month-to-month way blog on the authority site. Lisk has isolated its guide as quartz, golden, ruby, emerald, sapphire, jewel. From the last month's information, Lisk arrived at the degree of emerald on August 21, 2021. And entered to sapphire stage. Lisk merits a drawn-out speculation as a result of its consistently developing excursion and the constant updates and extension of innovation. 36 Lisk improvement recommendations have been distributed toward the finish of the emerald stage. Lisk has moved from mainnet v2 to mainnet v3. v3 has another expansion gotten address framework. Lisk has contracted with significant organizations for advancement and market reach. The light bend is for research advancement and promoting. Bitcoin Suis is for exchanging and liquidation. Lucrise Finance is for the purpose of bookkeeping, and so on. The organization has been an individual from the INATBA, Crypto Valley affiliation, Swiss Blockchain League. Lisk has started an award program for designers and business visionaries to create blockchain applications with the assistance of Lisk SDK. Lisk give compensations for the people who report bugs and issue in the framework. The complete resource held by the organization in September 2021 was around $133,977,131.98. Specialized examination of LSK. Lisk cost today is above $2.17 with an exchanging volume of $8,039,300.74. The base cost on the exchanging meeting is $1.99. And the most extreme cost is $2.05. According to authentic information, the greatest cost at which Lisk LSK exchanged was $31.30 in 2018. The ongoing cost of Lisk LSK is 90%, not exactly the untouched high. The unequaled low is 9 cents. Lisk LSK has an all-out market cap of $279,827,697.10, with a circling supply of 128,900,445 LSK computerized coins. Market feelings for the coin are nonpartisan. Lisk Digital Money had a cost ascend throughout the previous 1 month. Lisk LSK has gone through a consistent fall in the day-to-day diagram after the cryptographic money market plunge on September 7th. Traveling through the ceaseless sell Lisk signals it took to help and quickly return to its ongoing worth. The cost change in Lisk LSK has been steady for the last month. Lisk LSK has been continuing on a sideways pattern for the last 3-4 exchanging meetings. It tried the help level of $2.55, returned, and broke the obstruction zone of $3 to $3.50. The following quick obstruction is put at $3.79. and the following opposition level is $4.60. Lisk LSK value needs to cross the significant obstruction level of $5.11 before any further move. As of the ongoing value, Lisk LSK is supposed to break out sooner rather than later. When the Lisk cost hops the $2 obstruction zone, $4 is the other opposition level. Costs have contacted the 20 mA, 50 mA, and 200 mA levels. The typical directional record is nonpartisan. The worldwide patterns of a considerable lot of the digital currencies have been level for the last week. Thus, Lisk LSK is likewise exchanging level, however, expecting a purchase Lisk sign for brokers soon. In light of our specialized examination and Lisk cost expectation, the transient dealers can start an exchange, and financial backers can sit tight for a breakout from the ongoing cost level prior to effective money management. Specialized pointers on the everyday graph show that the MACD line has crossed the sign line, which starts a bullish pattern. RSI is put at 54, and that implies Lisk fans are bullish on the conjectures and have begun purchasing Lisk. Like each other cryptographic money from the business sectors, the cost of Lisk is additionally unpredictable in every one of the trades. However, the drawn-out value expectations are bullish, and because of its gigantic development and advancements, LSK anticipates extensive improvement likely later on. Lisk value forecast 2022 to 2026. Lisk cost forecast 2022 is on an upswing. LSK will exchange at the very least cost of $2.45 levels in November and is supposed to ascend to $2.68 before the current year's over. The typical cost of Lisk for the ongoing year will be around $2.62. Every one of the momentary markers are bullish, showing a purchase signal. LSK value forecast 2022. As of digital currency forecasts toward the start of 2022, the LSK worth will exchange at the value level of $2.45. The typical cost will be around $2.62. Lisk cost expectations for the year show that when Lisk cost contacts a greatest degree of $2.83, the LSK cost is gauged to expect a negative cost change. Lisk LSK value expectation 2023. As per the drawn-out Lisk cost expectation, the base cost of LSK coins will be around $2.64 toward the start of the year. The cost estimate is bullish and crosses a value limit of $3.15 around the same time, and the typical cost in 2023 is $2.92. Lisk value estimate 2024. Estimates from various sources and long-haul outlines show LSK cost is anticipated to open at $2.46 toward the start of the year. Financial backers are searching for a steam expansion in Lisk. The most extreme cost for the year is $3.30, which is toward the start of 2024. LSK is determined at a typical cost of $2.72. Lisk value estimate 2025. LSK cost expectation 2025 shows that progressive worth expansion is going on in LSK costs and achieving a higher high in long-haul gauges. Over the 5 years, the organization is anticipating finishing all the guide and cost expectation reach to $2 to $4 levels, with a typical cost of Lisk at $3.80 for the year. The coin value greatest can go past the reach for any trigger when it crosses the greater part of everything time